Chilibris, a graphic designer company, invites online applications for various vacancies of graphic designer, IT associate, finance associate, marketing executive, farm-led and executive administrator in Shillong, Kohima and Aizawl. These are the following posts. 1. Post name, graphic designer. Number of posts, 1. Place of posting, Kohima. Upper age limit, 34 years. Salary 20,000 rupees to rupee 25,000 per month. Essential qualification, minimum 10+2 passed with or without computer experience. 2. Post name, IT associate. Number of posts, 4. Place of posting, Kohima. Upper age limit, 34 years. Salary, -20,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees per month. Essential qualification, degree in computer science, information technology or any degree with computer skills. 3. Post name, finance associate. Number of posts, 1. Place of posting, Shillong. Upper age limit, 34 years. Salary, -20,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees per month. Essential qualification, knowledge in accounting principles and accounting process, competency in MS Office, databases and accounting software or Tally, and Microsoft Office. Excellent written and verbal communication skills, ability to interact with employees, customers and vendors in a professional manner. 4. Post name, marketing executive. Number of posts, 1. Place of posting, Shillong. Upper age limit, 34 years. Salary, -20,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees per month. Essential qualification, depending on job role. 5. Post name, farm lead, Umfru. Number of posts, 1. Place of posting, Shillong. Upper age limit, 34 years. Salary, -20,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees per month. Essential qualification, bachelor degree in agriculture, agribusiness, farm management, or a related field. Requirements, must stayed in farm at Umfru from Monday to Saturday. 6. Post name, executive administrator. Number of posts, 2. Place of posting, Shillong. Upper age limit, 34 years. Salary, -20,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees per month. Essential qualification, bachelor degree in any field. Excellent comprehension, speaking and writing skills in English. Strong communication and interpersonal skills. Ability to work independently, self-directed and as a team. How to apply for Chilibris Recruitment 2024. Various jobs in Shillong, Kohima and Aizawl. Interested and eligible candidates may apply online through website www.careers.chilibris.com. Last date, until ongoing, all position are filled. All candidates who willing to apply online for these vacancies, kindly click the link on the description box below, also filled the requirements. Please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.